Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts Shivesh full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, mix flour, sugar, eggs, and yogurt until smooth, then fold in baking powder and spices, pipe batter into donut tins, bake for 10-12 minutes until golden, and cool before glazing with a simple sugar glaze or chocolate ganache. Serve warm with sprinkles and tea or coffee. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Use a gentle folding motion to combine wet and dry ingredients so the batter stays airy and produces fluffy donuts. If batter seems thick, add 1 tablespoon of milk at a time until it reaches piping consistency. Fill tins about 2/3 full to allow for rise and shape. Tap the tins briefly to release large air bubbles before baking for even texture and a fine crumb throughout. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It truly helps the channel grow and brings more recipes your way. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while your donuts cool, and it pairs surprisingly well with a hot cup of tea. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your flavor profile early so you can adjust spices and zest in the batter, versus only changing toppings later. Prepare a quick glaze by whisking powdered sugar with milk until smooth, then dip cooled donuts and add sprinkles while glaze is wet. For richer treats, warm ganache works well and sets thicker. Let glazed donuts rest on a rack so excess drips away and coating firms evenly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.